feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing a lot of something. There's a lot of stuff that should be in here that isn't. Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have one box, just one, from Misfits Market. I don't have a lot of time to do this. I have to get to the ring. I gotta leave here in 30 minutes. So let's see if we can do this in record time. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. No useless piece of cardboard, guys. Just this. Climacell temper pack. Well, there is. Oh, wait. There's a useless piece of cardboard in here. Hold on. There's an ice pack, a soupy ice pack, and a useless piece of cardboard. I was excited for a minute. Oh, well. We've got some portobello mushroom caps, and there's two in here. They look pretty big. The ice pack was directly on top of it, so it feels like it's a little frozen. And we have some of the Earth Green's tender leaves. I've got 5 days on this. Some scallions. These look good. Everything in here, by the way, is super cold. That ice pack did its job, I think, a little too well. Some thyme, some fresh thyme. Dijon mustard. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing a lot of something. There's a lot of stuff that should be in here that isn't. We're gonna go over that receipt. This does not seem right. Organic Dijon mustard, and I believe this was a really low price, which is why I got it. I'm missing like everything that should have been in the cold pack. I did order a cold pack. Bear with me. Celery. This actually looks good. This is much better than the celery we got a few weeks ago from Imperfect. This is a sad looking zucchini. Really sad. It looks like a cucumber kind of. It's just sad. And these are pretty sad too, some sad looking carrots. And another sad zucchini. We got some of the Tearless onions. These are organic Tearless onions. You see that? Oops. Now I think you can see it, right? Yeah, there you go. Some organic Russet Potatoes. These look good. Some more carrots. These actually look better than these carrots. Much better. And these were cheaper too. And then we've got some lemons. And some red potatoes. These look good. This is all organic. You do have to be a little careful now with Misfits because they offer conventional and organic. So you have to make sure that you're selecting the right thing. The last thing that's in this box is some jasmine rice. I had ordered a whole lot more than this. A whole lot more. I'm like missing an entire box of stuff. Tons of stuff is missing. We're gonna get that receipt and we're gonna go through this. This has actually never happened before. I feel like I'm a little bit crazy, but I know that I ordered this stuff. This is super weird. I have 2 boxes coming this week. I've never seen something like this. I am missing a whole box. I'm so confused. There were 2 boxes. One of them was delivered. The other one says it should be delivered today, but it's not here. Can I track it? It's shipped by CDL, but I don't have it. My guess is that they forgot and they left 1 box. Let's go over what we have here. So the Dijon mustard was $2.99. I feel like that's a lot for this. I thought it was cheaper. The tender greens was $3.29. That's actually a good price. The jasmine rice, $5.49. Carrots were $2.39. The onions were $3.69. The lemons were 2 pounds for $4.29. The celery was $2.29. The scallions were $1.39. The zucchini was $2.29. The portobello mushroom caps were $3.29. The thyme was $1.99. The red potatoes were $4.09. The carrots were $1.99 and the russet potatoes were $3.59. But I'm missing a box that has pasta, English muffins, the spring mix, French bread, Asian chopped salad, a kale chopped salad, all my yogurt, my eggs, some hot dogs, goat cheese, butter, green beans. Romaine hearts were supposed to be in there, but they were refunded. That was $4.29 that was refunded. Ginger, which was also refunded. I guess they didn't have those things. That was 79 cents. Leeks, broccoli, parsnips, rosemary, and Potatoes. I don't have any of that. I don't know where it is. It says it was supposed to be delivered today. This might be the end of the video. If it shows up, I can finish it, but if it doesn't, I can't. This is the first time this has ever happened to me with Misfits. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've experienced this. If you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link where you can save some money off your first order in the description down below too. So it's the next day and this box arrived. I don't know what happened with this. I've never had anything like this happen before with Misfits. Generally, you receive both your boxes on the same day. That didn't happen this time. They didn't ship at the same time either, so I'm not sure why there was a delay. Now we're gonna get this box open and find out what's inside. Have you ever had something like this happen? Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've had one Misfits order be delivered in 2 different boxes on 2 different days. Leave me a comment. Let me know. I want to know. So we have some, oh, and there is no useless piece of cardboard. Just realized that. So we have the prepared salad mix. This is the sweet kale. We've tried this before and we liked it. We have some broccoli. This looks like decent broccoli. What do you think? Some spring mix. And we also have the other lettuce. I don't think I realized I ordered this too. We're gonna look at that receipt now that we have both boxes. Some Dave's Killer Classic English muffins. Colin loves these. He actually asked me to get 2. But then he didn't eat the 2 really fast and they went bad. So I decided just to get 1. The Take and Bake French loaf. We love it. And I didn't say take and break this time. I said take and bake. Some rosemary. We got the thyme yesterday. We got the rosemary today. Some green beans, the French haricot vert, and this is a full pound of organic green beans. Most companies, you don't get a pound. You get like 8 ounces. Parsnips. There's a lot of parsnips in here. Forget what I paid for that. We'll go over that receipt. And then some leeks. These are humongous, and there are 2. And I don't know if you remember back when they used to call them leeks, but they'd only send you a leek. So it's nice that we're getting the 2 leeks. Thank you, Misfits. And then we have oh, this is cute. Ugly Duckling. Organic potatoes. These are russet potatoes. Ugly Duckling. But I think we got russet potatoes yesterday. Didn't we? Yeah, we did. Look, I got these yesterday. So, oh, the Harvest chickpea elbows. Ancient Harvest. I don't know why I just said Harvest. Whatever. Sometimes I'm weird. And then we've got the Asian chopped salad kit. And now the cold pack. These are the Pete and Jerry's organic eggs. And we're gonna check them and make sure they're okay. They look good to me. How do they look to you? Nothing's leaking. That has happened. We have had an occasion where there was a broken egg. Actually, that's few and far between considering that they're shipping this stuff, right? I mean, I feel like that's a good record. And then some hot dogs. These are True Story grass-fed uncured beef hot dogs. And we had some of these the other night and they were really good. Some of the Vermont Creamery cultured unsalted butter. And some goat cheese. I love goat cheese. Do you love goat cheese? Leave me a comment. Let me know. The yogurt. And I love that they're using elastic bands now instead of taping them. The tape was so annoying. It would rip off the label. It would freak out the cats. They don't like the sound of that. My cats are really weird about noises. 8 of these. The Leaning Tower of yogurt. Again. Let's have a look at what we were supposed to get versus what we got, because I'm really confused with these things being split up into 2 different days. The pasta, the Ancient Harvest plant-based protein pasta elbows were $2.99. That's a good deal. The English muffins were $4.79. The spring mix was $2.99. That is a much better deal than it is with Imperfect. The Take and Bake bread is $4.49. The Asian chopped salad was $4.49. The sweet kale salad was $4.49. The yogurt were 4 for $15.96, and that's 4 twos, so that equals 8. They bundle them in twos. The eggs were $2.99. The hot dogs were $5.49. That's a really good deal. The goat cheese was $3.79, good deal. The butter, $3.29, good deal. Green beans, $4.29 for a pound of organic green beans. That's a good deal. I did order romaine hearts. I didn't get them, but they refunded me for that, $4.29. And I ordered ginger, which was only 79 cents, but they refunded that too because they didn't ship those. The leeks were $4.29. The broccoli was $3.89. The parsnips were $2.99. Guys, this is a lot of parsnips for $2.99. Like a whole lot. That's a good deal. The pound of parsnips, good deal, really good deal. The rosemary was $1.89. And then, oh, that was supposed to be yellow potatoes. There's a rotten one. And rotten potatoes are nasty. Look, it's so gross. Ugh. Sorry, I had to wash my hands. It was super gross. I'm gonna let them know about that, and I'm sure that they'll give me credit for it. My total altogether, with what I got yesterday and what I got today, was $125.34. Shipping was $4.50. So my total was $129.84. I had $5.08 refunded. Probably by the time I get to edit this video, I'll have more because of those potatoes. My grand total was $124.76. For some reason, it shipped in 2 boxes on 2 different days. Have you had that happen? Honestly, leave me a comment down below and let me know. What do you think of this? Is it worth what I paid? Do you think it's kind of a pain in the butt that I didn't get it all in the same day? Let me know. Leave me a comment. If you want to try Misfits, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that and you'll save off your first order. So click through that link, give Misfits a try, and you'll save some money. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else you think might want to give Misfits a try. And you know what? Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week, and at least one of those is always an unboxing. So make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.